Welcome back to Rider Zone, the place where we explore the most luxurious, powerful, and futuristic vehicles shaping the road ahead. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary: the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that blends Cadillac's legendary luxury with the freedom of a full-scale motorhome. This is not just an RV, it's a statement of prestige, innovation, and next-level comfort designed for those who refuse to compromise while traveling. From the very first glance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome announces itself with unmistakable presence. The exterior design takes clear inspiration from Cadillac's latest automotive language: sharp lines, bold geometry, and a commanding stance. The front fascia features a massive illuminated Cadillac crest, flanked by vertical LED lighting signatures that instantly set it apart from traditional motorhomes. The body is sculpted for both elegance and aerodynamics, reducing drag while maintaining that unmistakable Cadillac authority. Premium paint options, including pearl whites, deep metallic blacks, and exclusive two-tone finishes, elevate its visual impact even further. Underneath this luxury powerhouse lies a heavy-duty, next-generation chassis engineered specifically for high-end motorhomes. Cadillac has collaborated with top commercial platform specialists to ensure exceptional ride stability, weight distribution, and durability. The suspension system is fully adaptive, using air suspension combined with magnetic ride control technology derived from Cadillac's performance sedans. This means the motorhome continuously adjusts to road conditions, delivering an incredibly smooth ride whether you're cruising highways, navigating mountain roads, or pulling into a campsite. Powering the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a refined yet formidable engine lineup. At the core is a turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain designed to balance performance and efficiency. This system delivers strong torque for effortless acceleration, confident overtaking, and smooth towing capability. The hybrid assistance not only improves fuel economy but also allows for near-silent operation in low-speed environments, perfect for campgrounds and urban areas. Cadillac has also optimized engine noise insulation so well that from inside, the drive feels serene and composed, almost like gliding on rails. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. The interior of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Every surface is wrapped in premium materials: hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, and soft touch surfaces throughout. The color palettes are carefully curated, offering warm, calming tones or modern monochrome themes depending on the buyer's taste. Ambient lighting flows seamlessly through the cabin, adjustable in color and intensity to match your mood or time of day. The living area is spacious, thanks to multiple power-operated slide-outs that expand the interior at the push of a button. Once fully deployed, the motorhome opens up into an airy, open-concept space perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Plush seating options include reclining sofas with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views while also featuring smart tinting technology, allowing you to control privacy and sunlight without traditional curtains. The kitchen is where Cadillac's attention to detail truly shines. It's fully equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection microwave, smart refrigerator with touch controls, and even a built-in espresso machine. Countertops are crafted from premium solid surface materials, offering durability and elegance. Storage is abundant, cleverly hidden behind soft close cabinetry that feels more like luxury home furniture than RV fixtures. Moving toward the bedroom, comfort reaches another level. The master suite features a king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress designed specifically for long-term travel comfort. Overhead storage and side wardrobes provide ample space for extended journeys. The lighting, climate control, and entertainment systems in the bedroom are all individually customizable, allowing you to create a personalized sanctuary wherever you park. The bathroom in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome rivals those found in upscale hotels. It includes a full-size rainfall shower with glass enclosure, designer fixtures, heated floors, and a vanity with backlit mirrors. Cadillac has also integrated advanced water management systems, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing luxury. High-capacity fresh and gray water tanks support long off-grid stays with confidence. Technology plays a central role throughout the motorhome. The cockpit features a fully digital curved display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless interface. Cadillac's latest infotainment software offers intuitive controls, voice commands, real-time navigation, and wireless smartphone integration. A heads-up display projects essential driving information directly onto the windshield, reducing distraction and enhancing safety. Driver assistance and safety systems are equally impressive. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome comes equipped with advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera views, and automated parking assistance tailored for large vehicles. These features make handling such a substantial motorhome surprisingly stress-free. Even for drivers new to luxury RVs, entertainment is taken seriously as well. Multiple 4K displays are strategically placed throughout the interior, paired with a premium surround sound system tuned specifically for the cabin's acoustics. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or hosting friends, the audio-visual experience feels immersive and refined. Outside, an integrated entertainment awning system includes weather-resistant speakers and an external display for outdoor movie nights. For travelers who value independence, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome offers an advanced energy management system. Large lithium battery banks, combined with roof-mounted solar panels and a high-efficiency generator, provide reliable power even when off-grid. Smart energy monitoring allows you to track consumption and optimize usage through a central control panel or mobile app. Storage and practicality haven't been overlooked either. The lower compartments offer expansive storage for luggage, outdoor gear, and even small recreational vehicles. Hydraulic leveling systems ensure the motorhome remains stable on uneven terrain, enhancing comfort and safety during extended stays. What truly sets the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome apart is the sense of identity it delivers. This is not a generic RV with a luxury badge, it feels authentically Cadillac in every detail. From the quiet confidence of its ride to the elegance of its interior, it embodies a lifestyle of refined adventure. It's designed for individuals and families who want to travel without giving up the standards they expect from a premium brand. As we look toward the future of luxury travel, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome stands as a bold vision of what's possible. It merges cutting-edge automotive technology, sophisticated design, and true residential comfort into one unforgettable package. Whether you're crossing continents or enjoying weekend escapes, this motorhome transforms every journey into an experience worth remembering. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, make sure to stay connected with Rider Zone for more in-depth explorations of the most exciting vehicles on the road. Your road to luxury, innovation, and adventure starts right here.